Part 47, Characteristics and Importance of Staffing. Staffing can be defined as one of the most important functions of management. It involves the process of filling the vacant position of the right personnel at the right job at the right time. Hence, everything will occur in the right manner. It is a truth that human resources is one of the greatest for every organization, because in any organization all other resources like money, material, machine, etc. can be utilized effectively and efficiently by the positive effort of human resources. Characteristics of planning. Staffing can be broadly viewed as people centered function, and therefore it is relevant for all types of organization. It is concerned with the categories of personnel from top to bottom of the organization. Staffing include mainly three types of members or personnels. Blue collar workers, that is those who working on the machines and engaged in loading, unloading, etc. And white collar workers, clerical employees, managerial and non-managerial persons. Third one, professional, example chartered account, company secretary, etc. Now we go to important characteristics of staffing. First one, important function of management. Staffing is also one of the important function of management, like planning, organizing, directing, coordinating, and controlling. Second one, perennial process. Organization cannot exist without employees. As long as organizational activities exist, employees and staffing will also exist. Without the presence of employees, organization is not possible to continue. Without a human being or employees, organization just like a skeleton. So it is a continuous and everlasting function of the organization. It is continuous and employees will stay till the activities of the organization will continue and staffing will also exist. The staffing is a continuous and a permanent activity. Third one, concerned with the human relations. The main objective of staffing is to acquire the right employees and make the best use of them. Employees are the only living factors of production. They have feelings and self-respect, as it is related with the human element. Humanitarian behavior is expected towards them. Employees are the only living factors of production. They have feelings and self-respect. Humanitarian behavior is expected with them. Thus, staffing is related to human element. Fourth one, staffing is a dynamic process. Because of proper staffing, all the activities of an organization become dynamic. Staffing is a dynamic process. Because of appropriate staffing, all the activities of the organization become dynamic. Each and every activity carried with the human effort or human supervision. When machines also working with the direction or with the help of a human. Staffing is a dynamic process. Fifth one, related with the other managerial functions. Other managerial functions like planning, organizing, directing, coordinating, and controlling are closely related with staffing. Staffing is related to other managerial functions, and it enable to the organization to follow other management functions also. Most of the time, staffing is considered as the third function of the managerial process after planning and organizing staffing. Absence of staffing, directing, coordinating, controlling are not going to work. Sixth one, wide scope. Staffing is not merely an activity for labor welfare, but it is also concerned with acquiring training and maintaining personnel, and it also works for their development. Staffing is related to other managerial functions, and staffing is not only staff welfare activity, but it works for procurement, training, maintaining, and developing of personnel. The employees of the organization is considered as the very valuable asset to the organization. Good workers, employees are there, it will increase the prestige of the organization. So, selection and recruitment of various employees that time onwards, training, maintaining, and developing of personnel or employees are very essential. Seventh one, capital expenditure or investment. The expenditure incurred for recruitment, selection, training, and development of the staff is not an expense but an investment. Capital expenditure, or it is not considered as the expense for the organization. It is considered as the investment for the organization. The amount spent behind staff recruitment, selection, training, and development is not considered as business expenditure, but it can be considered as necessary capital expenditure. Efficient staff, they will increase the profitability and maximize the wealth of the organization and increase the prestige of the organization. So various expenses regarding staffing that is not considered as the expenditure or expense of the organization, that is truly considered as the investment for the organization, just like other investment. Importance of staffing. Importance. For the efficient performance of other functions of management, staffing is its key. Since if an organization does not have the competent personnel, then it cannot perform the functions of management like planning, organizing, and control functions properly. Staffing occupies an important place in the process of management. As more industries have been developed, the importance of staffing has also increased. Any organization without staff is like mere skeleton. The inanimate machines can increase production, but employees can give even better result. In comparison to other factors of production, the future of a business enterprise depends much on staff. Staffing is the only living factor of production. Personnel cannot be considered as physical resources because they have feelings, self-respect, intelligence, understanding, and different skills. An expert has rightly said, mind your men, men will mind everything for you. In the field of management, staffing holds very important position. With the development of industries, its importance has started increasing. Organization without employees is like a skeleton without a soul. The maintenance of rigid machines can increase production while employees can give a very good result or direction to. The future of business organization is more dependent on the employees working within as compared to other factors affecting business. Staff is the only live element of business organization. It cannot be compared with the category of material equipments. They have feelings, self-respect, they have independent ability, proficiency, efficiency, and understanding. Hence, it is said that you take care about your employees, they will take care of you in all other matters. Staffing is completely different from the other managerial functions. Just like planning, staffing also need much care and its various implementation, assigning, recruitment, and every stage one to give more importance and appoint various persons at different places as per the requirement and consider them and give importance to them as a human being and consider about their feelings and emotions and give proper training and developmental activities to them. They will control and they will help to increase your organization profitability and they will maximize the productivity of the organization. So that way you can develop and maximize your scope of organization. The importance of staffing are as follows. First one, driving force. Contented and efficient staff is the driving force of an organization. only. An efficient staff can accomplish the objectives of business along with the other factors of production. Satisfied and dedicated employees are driving force of the organization. If employees are there together with machines, raw materials, etc., other means of production, achievement of objectives become easy. Staffing is a guiding force of the organization. It will control, it will make other factors of production also in a effective and efficient way. It will help the organization to achieve its organizational goal. And second one, dynamic activity. Staffing infuses dynamism into business and performs all the activities of the business. Staffing is affecting the overall activities, dynamism of each and every activity. Staffing is considered as the dynamic activity. It will affect each and every activity. So proper staffing makes organizational activity dynamic and efficient one. Third one, important for other functions of management. Other managerial functions like coordinating, directing, controlling, planning, etc. cannot succeed without proper staffing. Without staffing, other functions of management going to absent. The other functions of management like other functions of management can be executed through staffing. Without staffing, other functions of management are not going to work. Fourth one, limbs of the business enterprise. Staffing is considered as arms and legs or limbs of unit. Planning occupies the place of the brain in the human body, while staffing is like the arms and legs or limbs of the organization. Without them, activities cannot be done in an organization. In management function of planning is like a human brain in human body. Staffing holds position very similar to limbs, arms or legs of human body. Without that, a business activity of enterprise is not possible. Job satisfaction among staff. Due to staffing, the complaints and problems of the employees can be understood and speedy solution is possible. Proper planning and distribution of work creates feeling of job satisfaction among the employees. This staff is completely different from other factors of production. Staff is considered as the only living asset of the organization. Otherwise, the only living factors of production of the organization. Because of staffing, employees' complaints, issues, difficulties can be understood and it is resolved speedily. Solve the problems and issues very fastly. Because of the planning of organization, functions and its proper distribution of employees feel satisfied. Satisfied employee can contribute much more result to the organization in a effective way. And sixth one, harmony in relations. Staffing creates an environment of satisfaction among employees. It helps to establish a cordial relationship between employees and employers. Because of appropriate staffing, satisfactory atmosphere is created among the organization. As a result, harmony is established among employer-employee relations. Employer will consider as his staff is very important factor to his organization and consider as invaluable asset to the organization, then make them more satisfied one in that organization. It will encourage the various motivation of organization as well as the various employees. It will make a good relation and harmony among the employers and employees. And seventh one, increase the prestige of the organization. A contented and efficient staff is an invaluable asset. It increases the prestige of the organization. A dedicated and well qualified, efficient workers or employees of the organization is considered as an invaluable asset. We can't measure their values and their contribution in the organization. Then their effective, efficient, and dedicated works that helps to increase the good names or prestige of the organization. Satisfied and dedicated employees are invaluable asset of the organization. They increase the prestige of the organization. Eighth one, continuous process. The very existence of business is not possible without its staff. As long as business activities continue, staff and staffing process will be continue. Organization cannot exist without employees. Till the activities of the enterprise exist, employees will stay in the organization and staffing will also exist. It is a continuous process. From starting onwards, starting of the organization or establishment of the organization from to the closing of the organization, that much time, the presence of staff is there. So it is considered as the continuous process. In this section, we studied about characteristics and importance of staffing. First characteristics, important function of management. Second, perennial process. Third one, concerned with the human relations. Fourth one, staffing is a dynamic process. Fifth one, related with the other managerial functions. Sixth one, wide scope. Seventh one, capital expenditure. And the importance of staffing are driving force, dynamic activity, important for other functions of management. And fourth one, limbs of the business enterprise. Fifth one, job satisfaction among staff, harmony in relations, increase the prestige of the organization, and lastly, continuous process.